Air pollution happens when harmful gases, smoke, and dust fill the air. It is mainly caused by cars, factories, burning fuels, and cutting down trees. When the air is polluted, it becomes hard to breathe and can cause diseases like asthma and lung infections. It also harms animals and plants. Air pollution leads to problems like global warming and acid rain, which damage the environment. Smog, a thick layer of dirty air, is common in big cities and can make people sick. To reduce air pollution, we should use public transport, plant more trees, and stop burning waste. Factories should use filters to clean smoke before releasing it into the air. Using clean energy like wind and solar power can also help. If we take care of the air, we can live healthier lives and protect the planet for the future.